Hello everyone, my name is Amrit and I have done MTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Basically, I'm an engineer and I like to teach kids like you over the internet, right? And I'm also a STEM certified educator, right? So in this session, let me tell you the agenda of this session. I have 5 years of experience in teaching, and in this session, we will be covering in these 4 sessions, we will be covering app development in details, right? We will learn each and everything, how the apps are made. Now, what is mobile app development? Anyone? If anyone can answer. Yes, Siddesh.
Okay, so like mobile app is like you are like opening like an app in like your phone, and you can like do some stuff right there, I guess.
Yes, it's like creating a software application and that runs on your phone, right? So it involves 3 basic things, which is you should have an idea in your mind, like what app you want to create. Secondly, designing of the app is very important. If you have an idea in your mind, only then you can design, right? And the third thing is we will do coding on that, right? First thing, you should have an idea in your mind. Second thing, how to design that app. And thirdly, like how we can code that. Clear? Yes, Ishan?
Wait, so do we need to join computer or we can join in some other devices?
Here we are going to use Thunkable platform. I repeat to everyone, we will be using Thunkable platform where we have, like this leniency that we can check our app working right in front of our screen. We can check it on the screen. Let me show you what app we are going
Please
to
mute
create.
yourselves. Please mute yourselves.
Yeah. So in today's session, we are going to make one very easy app, right? And we will know about Thunkable, like how to sign in that. I want like if all the parents are can be available in the meeting just for initial 5 minutes, it will be really beneficial because we need to sign in the account, in the Thunkable account. And then the students need to know about their Gmail accounts. Plus, very important, they should remember the password of that Gmail account. Is that clear to everyone? They need one Gmail account as well as they should remember the password of that Gmail account, right? So firstly, I will show you the app that we are going to make today. Are you all excited? Give me a big thumbs up. All right.
Wait, teacher, I actually used Dunkable before, so I will know like the options.
All right. It's completely fine, dear. If you are already aware, I'm really happy with that. Yeah. Okay. So after execution of app, I will ask you a couple of questions, right? So whosoever knows the answer will raise their hand and only then answer, okay? We will not create chaos in our session, right? So this is simple voice assistant app. Now, how it's gonna work? It's whatever I will type here. For example, I'm writing, hello, Amrit, right?
Hello, Amrit.
Can you hear the sound?
Hello, Amrit.
Yeah, all right. Okay, so the simple app we will make and we will know about the Thunkable platform in details. What are the things over there? Before that, I just want to know there's some basic questions. Now, if someone says coding, what is coding according to you? Raise your hand, only then give your answer. Yes, Ishan.
Coding is something that you use to program a certain device or program.
Okay. Yes, Charit.
It's a specific code that runs your app.
Yes. Okay, Shiruthan.
Like coding is like a program that you make. It's like computer language for the computer to understand like what we tell the computer to do.
Amazing, great. Okay, Aradhya and Shreya, you have done, given the perfect example.
Coding is like programming something to create a software that runs like whatever you're trying to do.
Great. You all guys are so much aware of the coding. I'm really impressed by that. Okay, so since we have a limited time, I really appreciate other guys also, right? So now coding is the way of communicating with the computer. I really appreciate you can, put your hands down. I know, like each one of you know, right? But we are here a mass, people. So it's fine, right? Okay, coding is a way of communicating with the computer, right? And computer do not understand English. Many of the students confuse this thing that computer understand English. No, computer do not understand English. It only understand programming languages, right? Such as Python, Java is there, Scratch, block-based programming languages are there, Scratch and Thunkable is one example, two examples of that, right? And then we have text-based coding, which is Python, Java. So how do we give instructions? Yes, Shan, please mute yourself. Yeah, how do we give instructions? That is also important. By putting, we give instructions through our keyboard and get output as a display on our computer monitor, right? So we give instructions on the keyboard and gets our output on the monitor or on mobile device. Now, what we will do in this session, I will share my screen with you guys, right? So each one of you will see. Similarly, whatever I'm opening on my side, you will follow along, right? So be sure, let's start. Okay, so simply, I'm sharing my screen. Just do let me know if it is visible or not. Yes. All right, so everyone open Google, right? Let's work together. I'll not teach you theoretical things over here. We will make an app practically and check its execution in this session, right? So on the Google, we need to type Thunkable. Can you see in red color? I'm writing annotation. So simply type Thunkable here.
Wait, teacher.
Yes.
So can I so do we have a name for our like project in Dunkable, or should I just write Septor class 1?
No, we have a name option. Just be patient, okay? Go with the flow. Whatever I'm saying, we have different things. Okay, everyone on Thunkable page, right? So we will open the very first link, that is thunkable.com, right? Everyone click on thunkable.com. Yes. Now, on the top right side, you will get the option of sign up, right? Can you see, guys? We need to click on sign up. You all guys are so sharp. Easily, you can follow the instructions. Yes. So, on your side, it may come like you need to sign up with Google account. Wait, I will sign out from here. Similar thing I will also get. So let's see it. Yeah, this thing is appearing. Sign in with Google, sign in with Apple, right? So what you need to do is sign in with Google, right? So here we need our Gmail account as well as our password, right? For example, I'm using another account. I have to enter my email here.
It didn't load yet for us.
Okay. So Shehan, it will load, right? So simply you need to enter your email here. For example, I'm entering learners.234@gmail.com. If you do not remember your password, I just ensure you use your parents' Gmail account. Don't waste time, right? Lex. Then we will click on next. Yes.
Do you have to sign in with Gmail?
Sign in with Google, Anika. Yeah, sign in with Google. Then you need to enter your Gmail account details, and then you need to enter your password. Like I'm entering mine.
When I put in my Gmail, it says the service is available for Google Workspace for education users who are under 18.
No, it will work. Yeah, sign in with the Gmail. Then you will get a link on your Gmail account. From there, you can log in. Right?
Okay.
If you are facing difficulty, immediately call your parents and simply log in through your account. Right? You have to enter your Gmail account as well as password. Then you need to click on next. So see, on your side, what will come? Start building.
It's actually, in fact, not allowing kids to sign up. It's saying under 18, it's not allowed.
So, sir, you can use your account. If it is happening now, you can use your account, your Gmail account.
What I found, so it wasn't working for me with Gmail, but when I used the third option, it was like sign up with your email. That worked for me because it sent a link to your email, so that works better.
So you can go with third option also, in which you can sign in with the Gmail, and then you will get link in your Gmail account. Simply sign in from that link. Yes. On your side, it will come like start building. Is it coming?
It doesn't say start building. It's
whosoever is seeing that message, start building. Or
I meant, but it doesn't say start building. It like I think
Mine looks the same as yours.
It's for me. It says like a project name. Like
okay.
For me, it says which of these describe your role best.
Okay, so you can here mention as student. Okay, one of you share your screen with me. Whosoever is seeing that.
I could share.
Yeah. Okay, wait.
No. Are you talking about like if it's not working?
Wait,
mine is working.
Open.
Wait, I pressed student and
it's working.
Do I press next?
Yes, work perfectly. Okay, then you will get option. Yes, why? Very nice. Okay, start building. So you will get two options, that you are a student, and second thing, you have like minimal experience of coding an app or no experience of coding an app. Are you seeing that? No experience.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Yes. So after that, this screen will come in front of you. Start building. Yes, everyone. Yeah, thumbs up who have done it.
Excuse me?
Yes.
I do not know what to do because I came late to the class session.
Okay, so you need to sign in Thunkable account, right? So on the Google, simply search thunkable.com. I'll write here.
Okay, 1 minute.
Thunkable.com, and then sign in with Google or sign in with Gmail.
Okay, 1 minute.
Yes. So Now we will give a name to our project. The name of the project is Voice Assistant App. Okay. Yes. So Shantan, you can stop sharing your screen. I will share my screen.
Wait, teacher, when I typed a name, okay, and when I click create the project, it's saying like you have to at least select a category.
Yes, we will choose. Don't worry. Each and everything we will do. Voice Assistant app in the category, right? We can go with education, right? Choose education, or you can say just testing, that you will get in the last. Right? Everyone? Then the important thing is we need to uncheck this box. Everyone, uncheck this box. Okay? Then uncheck this box and click on create. Then the Thunkable platform will open in front of you.
Do you have to like check it or like leave it there?
Yes. Is it opening?
Yeah, but you just have to click use the drag and drop builder and confirm it, or
now
not
uncheck this.
confirm.
Uncheck this, and then this variant will come in front of you. Uncheck this that box. If you haven't unchecked, then go back again, create your app name, and then choose category, uncheck the box, and then come back again.
Which category should we choose?
You can choose education, or you can choose just testing. Anyone. It doesn't matter.
Thank you.
Done, everyone?
For me, it's showing like
No.
this.
No.
Yeah, what problem are you facing, guys?
It's showing me like tutorials. So
no.
When
I'm still signing in. It's like.
Is it supposed to be like a app developer, like phone, yellow phone?
No, nothing like that. This
like
I'll explain about all these things. If the tutorial is opening in front of you, just simply close that. We will not see the tutorial. Okay.
Is it like
this screen is the final one, right? Now here
It's asking me, welcome to Thunkable. To make sure you get the best experience, we're going to ask you a few questions. Which of these best describes your role best?
So you can go with any option. Just mark it.
You can click student.
Student, and then no experience of app making, and then click on start building.
Okay, just click on start building, and what do I do next?
So there you get the option to write your project name. So write your project name as Voice Assistant App. Here. So this screen is coming. Here you will write Voice Assistant App. Right? Choose category to be education. Right?
What's the time, Aka?
Then important, very, very important thing, uncheck this box. Uncheck this box. And then simply click on create. Clear?
It gave me the Thunkable overview.
Yeah, close it. You will not see the video.
Okay.
So now I'm going to start with app making, right? So all of you will follow me, follow along, right? Be sure. Okay. So let me explain about the things over here who are new to Thunkable, right? So Thunkable is divided into 3 parts. First, second, and third, right? On the first, like on the left side, we have components that we are going to add inside the screen. So, whenever we see an app, there are buttons, there are labels, a lot more things, right? Images added in the app. You have seen the apps, various apps. So, a lot of things are there. That all the components are named as component. Like, see, on the left side, button, label, text, input, list, viewer. So, screen. Second thing, what we'll do, we will simply drag and drop this thing in mobile simulator. Can you see this screen one? This is mobile simulator. Okay, drag and drop. I'll show you how we can do. The third important thing is like properties. On the third side, we have properties. Like what will be the color of my button? What text I will add there, right? And what can be the margin, height and width of that button? That all things can be done in the property section. First, taking component from the left side. Second, dragging it in the screen. And then changing its properties on the third side. Now, let's do it practically. We have a screen in front of us, right? So, firstly, let's give a background color to our screen. Can you see here the background color option on your side as well? Just give any color that is favorite of yours. So I'm going with yellow one. Right? Okay, so you can go with one, right? Second thing, we need a label, right? Like to show what our app is all about. So drag a label. Can you see the label over here? I just typed L, so I got label. So below button also you can see the label option in the add component section, right? So simply take your label and drag it in the screen like I'm dragging. Right? So what is written? Just label. We have to change it? Yes or no? So what I will do, I will change it text to talk to me. So make it capital. It's your main label. I hope that all of you know about Facebook, right? There it is like big written now, Facebook. We are not able to click on the label. Yeah, so Druptej, what happened? Okay, so we are not able to click on the label. It just tells us about what this app is all about, right? It's our main label. So let's make it bigger. So change it font size to, let's see, 40. 40 is good? Yes, perfect. Then we can change the background color of our label as well, just to differentiate it better. Let's go. You can choose any color. I am choosing the screen. Yes. Below it. Are you doing the things? All right. Okay. So now let's make it, just a second. Yes, I'm sharing my screen again to show you the complete. Okay, mine is not letting me to change the color. Dear, you can change the color from these two options. See, this is for background color, and the above where it is simply written color, that is text color if you want it to be white or any other color.
Mine's not letting me label either.
So simply take your label and drag it in the screen. Later on, you've done that?
Yeah.
Okay, then change the text to talk to me.
When I press the label, it just has a red box around it.
No, we will not change, we will not click on the screen. We will click on the third area, that is properties. We will change the text from here. Then it automatically will appear in the screen. You will notice. Right?
Oh.
Yeah. So let's, let's give a font style. Can you see this font style option? I'm going with italic. Okay, then let's make it bold. It's our main label. So font weight, choose the font weight to be bold. Right? Font style and font weight. Right? Okay. Next thing is, we need a text input where we can enter that what we need to hear. Yeah? So we will take text input from the component. Our label is done. So raise your hands who have, added the label, changed its color and, make it bold. Great, very nice. Oh, wow.
Excuse me?
Yeah, if someone has a problem, just tell me.
It doesn't let me like write inside of the label, like if I click on it.
Yeah, so in the label, like if you are clicking on the screen, it will not gonna work. You can make changes from the properties section.
Yeah, I drag it onto the screen, but then when I click to like add text to the label, it won't let me. It just says label.
Okay, so wait, just share your screen quickly. Let me see. Okay, share your screen quickly. Okay, wait, let me see. I can label. Okay, so on the right side, you are getting the option of label, right side. Text option, right side. In the properties, not here. So you have taken, you can edit it on the another side. Wait, I'll show you. This side I'm talking about, Charit. Yeah, you can put your hands down. Here, Charit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, text. Yeah. You have a question? Yes.
Me?
All right. Okay, so put your hand down. Next thing, okay, let's add text input. Can you see this text input option? I will mark it. Now we will take text input. We will take user's input as a text, right? Okay, so take it and drag it inside the screen. Oh my God, it is above, right? So how to fix that?
You have to put it after the label one, like under.
Very important thing. These are all components, but what we are choosing, that will appear on the top here. Okay, the chosen components will appear on the top. So simply we can toggle in between our components. So take your text input down and label above. In this way, your text input is down and label is above. Simply drag it down here. Okay, now what we are doing, we are designing, there are different designers and who just design the apps, and coders are different. They are earning too much just for designing. Talk to me, type here. Now, don't you think this is too closer, right? So let's create margin in between them, right? Little bit margin, so that both of them, we can, like both of the components, we can see clearly. So on the right side, I repeat, the chosen component should be text input. From here, you can see if it is text input is blue, it is chosen, right? So simply go down, you will and scroll down, you will get the option of margin. Right? So I'm creating 20 margin. Go with, yes, go with 20. Thank you for helping whosoever is annotating. Yeah, but I can annotate, right? So see.
Can you show us how to do the text input thingy again?
Ah, yeah, sure.
Wait, teacher, a quick question.
Mm-hmm.
Do we have to add like 20 px to every, like, for the bottom,
No.
left and right, or
See,
just top?
I want only top margin, right?
Okay.
Like it will be separated from the top. So only top will be taken as 20, right? Okay. So who was facing difficulty in adding the text input? Okay, Charit. Simply take text input from the left side, drag it in the screen, right? So what happened? Your text input came above, right?
Yeah.
We need to fix it. Now where we can fix it? On the left side, right? So we can toggle in between these components. So see, I will take my text input below, like this.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm deleting this because this is extra on my side. Just to show you I've done this, right? All right. Rikhil, you have a question? And Hansita? If no question, just put your hands down. Okay. Now, the next thing, we need a button. Yes, Shirdan, we need a button. Don't see your phone. Focus here. We need a button, right? So, button is the first most component. Can you see? Simply drag it in the screen. Now, it again came above, right? How we can fix it? On the left side. Oops, wait. Yes, on the left side, we can fix this. So simply take button down the text input and done. Yes. Now we need to edit this. What will be our button name? So I'm going with speak up. You can also write it. Let's go. All right, you can say something, right? Say this. Say it. Like you have different options to write the button text. One is say it. Second is speak up. Third is let's go. So you can go with anything, right? So I'm going it like with speak up.
Mine's not letting me backspace the button. Like it's not.
Oh, so can you see this cross button here? Simply click on that.
Okay.
Can we type something else instead of those three?
Yeah, sure. That is completely your creativity. Whatever you want in your app, right?
Well, where's the cross?
Here, can you see on my screen, Rian?
Okay, yeah.
So now again we need to create a margin and I want my button to be of different color, right? So I can go with background color option, right? So which color? I'm taking red. So you can choose anyone, any of your favorite color for your button, right? Next, again, type here and speak up is too close, right? So what I'm going to do, creating margin between them. I'm going to create 20 margin.
Can I add 10?
Yeah. It's completely your app, your rules. Shiran is smiling, huh? Okay. So now we are done with the designing part, right? Let's go to coding. I want whenever I'm entering the text in my text input, the speak up button will, let me show you one thing. It is similar. Wait, I'll open Google. It is similar to this thing, what I'm creating. Yeah, so sometimes we get this option here. See, this is actually a button. Wherever you see a finger pointing, wherever on the internet, that is a button, right?
Schedule.
Can you hear?
Schedule.
So same thing we are implementing in our app. Yeah. So see, I'm not able to click on here about edit. Why? Because this is a label. Practical thinking, right? These are labels. And where you can see the finger is pointing, these all are buttons in which text is added, like we added. Clear? Okay. So this was a, GK fact. Now, okay. Yes, you can put italic. Okay, so now, wait, I'm sharing my screen now. It's not coming. Okay, just a second. All right, let's go to blocks section now. Can you see blocks here? Everyone click on blocks. Yep. Now, this is our notebook to write the instruction. What we do, we give instructions to the computer. So this is our notebook, right? This is called compiler. In programming language, we call it as compiler, where we compile the instructions. Now, see, we have a button. Also, see, it is appearing button one already here. Sometime in apps, what do we have? We have so many buttons. That we will learn the concept in next session, right? We can also rename our button to make our things work easier. For now, I will simply take this, click on this button, right? And take this when button one is clicked. If someone is clicking on button one, then what will happen? Done? Then we will call, yes, Shantan?
I have the answer to the question. It's like,
oh, yeah, sure. Tell me.
So the voice is like, the voice is like, the output is like, the text you input is like the output of the
whatever, like you speak up, right? Exactly, very nice. So how we can do coding related to that? We need text input for that, right? So simply click on text input here. Yeah. And then you need to click on, yes, set text input, text. No, wait. One more thing, one important thing. We have to add text to speech. We need to convert our text to speak up something now. So in add components, everyone come back to design and simply type here text to speech. Text to speech. You got that below? You have to simply drag it and put it in your mobile simulator. Now, this is our invisible component. It will not show on the screen, but it will work. We have visible components and invisible components. So this is the first example of like invisible component, text to speech. We are going to use this in next session also, right? So everyone done this? Now we will call it, right? Because we need to convert our text to speech. Everyone see this option now? Text to speech. Yeah. Now call text to speech to speak something, join it here. When you hear the tuck sound, it means that your block is joined.
Mine isn't working. Like, for the text to speech thing in design, like when
It doesn't show that.
yeah, I typed it in.
Okay.
And then
it will
I don't know
not
how to drag it. You dragged it, but I don't know how to.
see it will not show on this side. It will not appear again, right? It is appearing at the bottom because this is invisible component. Okay, and here
oh, there.
to make it more confirmed, you can see above. You will get this invisible components option. If
I didn't see which button you dragged.
I haven't dragged the button. I have taken text to speech component, right?
Oh, I
If
see it.
yeah, visible here, it means it.
No, the other one in the blocks.
Yeah, wait. I'm coming to that. Okay, don't worry. I'm coming to that. Firstly, all of the people like here, your design should be proper. You need to take this text to speech in the like designing portion. Done. Now I'm going back to blocks, right? Yeah.
Where's the text to speech button again?
Yes. Here in the coding. In the coding part, you can see it in the below.
In design, in the design.
In the design, simply search it in the add component section. Wait, I'll tell you how. Simply write here text to speech. Right? So yeah, you will get it. Now, simple thing. Drag it and drop it. See, I'm doing it. Drag it and drop it in the screen. It will not load in the screen. It will load below here. Important. Clear? Yeah. So I'm deleting. Okay. iPhone 3. I don't know your name. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, great. Now let's come to blocks. Yeah. So will it say hello only? No, no. No.
Excuse me?
Yes, Dharmik.
I can't find that block. This is call hello thing.
Okay, yeah, wait, I'm telling you. Simply click on text to speech. Everyone click on text to speech and take the first block out. Okay, I'm dragging it out. I'm deleting it from here, right? I'm clicking on text to speech. Take the first block out and place it inside here, inside button 1.
Someone is saying they can't even see the text to speech, but in the blocks.
Yeah, so you need to search that in the like add component section, right? Who is having that doubt? See here. It's there.
Rishik
And
is
add
having that doubt.
components.
Rishik. Who's Rishik? Please unmute yourself and tell the teacher.
Yes, Rishik, you have this doubt?
I can't find the text to speech.
All right, dear, don't worry. In the add components, right? Can you see this in the design portion? Simply write text to speech. I'm clicking on it and typing text to speech, right?
Nothing appears. It's just text input.
Okay, so it will appear. I don't know why you are facing this.
Type it.
Huh?
Maybe he didn't type it.
Yeah, type it. Everyone else
typed
is getting now the same thing?
Did you spell it right?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Did you scroll down?
Wait, so we type it
Rishik,
and then
just
we drag
do
it.
one thing. Wait. Rishik, share your screen. Let me see. Yeah, share your screen. Let me see. Oh, so you haven't unchecked the box. Remember, I've told you to uncheck the box in the starting. And where is your label? You haven't taken the label. Okay, I'll come back to you later. Okay, then we can solve it. Right now, you just see the working. It's almost done. App is almost done, right? So don't worry, Rishik. I'll help you out. Right? So now everyone come here and let's go to blocks area. And we will not say hello, right? Right, guys? We will take text input, text. So simply, I'll just let me close the app. Yeah. Simply, we will click on text input because we will take text input, text, whatever the user will enter there, it will be converted into speech. So what I've taken from here, let me show you once again. You all need to click on text input and then this portion only. Text input, text. I am double marking it with red and blue. Text input, text. Take it out, everyone with me, and place it at hello.
On top of the hello?
Yes, it will fix.
I added that and I live tested just now. It's working.
Oh, great. Who? Siddesh?
Yeah, it's me.
Oh, you know about Thunkable platform earlier as also?
Yeah, I'm familiar with this. I actually used to go to a coding class and I used Thunkable a lot of times.
Oh, great. So that's why you know. Great, great.
Amrit, we have a minute more. I hope
All
you're
right.
almost done.
So yeah, let's do live test. Everyone click on live test and see your app working. Click on live test. And whosoever have doubt, I can solve it later. Now, here you type anything, any random word. So I'm writing cloudy. Speak up.
Cloudy.
Yeah. I'm writing Anika.
Ika.
Right? Try to type your name and listen what it is saying. So that's all related to voice assistant app. I hope that all of you enjoyed this, right?
There is a question, Amrit.
Yes.
Please mute yourselves. Please mute yourselves. I can hear some father's voice. Please mute yourselves. Rishik, could you please mute yourself? Yeah. Amrit, there's some in the chat. There's a question. Could you take that?
Yeah, wait. Oh, yeah. And these are all questions only.
No, Nakshatra has just questioned the latest.
Let me see.
Okay. Oh, no. This is a direct message. She has written, I have a question. I'm a high schooler and I do Python in school. Does this app use a certain computer language?
It's a block-based coding, right? Block-based programming language. Right now, we can say it.
Nakshatra, are you here?
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. So if you have any more questions, you can just stay back after the session and Amrit will guide you regarding other things. So are we done with this session, Amrit?
Yes, ma'am. The app is done.
Yeah, so you can stop recording.
All right, ma'am.